Want to mirror your phone, laptop or tablet to your LG Smart TV? In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror from Android, iPhone, Windows, PC and Mac. I will also cover the most common fixes if screen mirroring is not working. Let's get started. First method is check if your LG TV supports screen mirroring. Most LG Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay, Miracast, Screen Share, Google Cast or some models. Open, then choose Home, then choose Screen Share, or open Settings, then go General, then choose Devices. If you see a screen share or AirPlay, your TV supports screen mirroring. Second method is connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Screen mirroring requires TV connected to Wi-Fi, phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Different networks won't work. Third method is screen mirror Android to LG TV. Unhanded, open quick settings. Tap Smart View, Cast Wireless Display, Screencast. Depending on your phone, select your LG TV. Tap Start Now. Your phone screen appears on the TV. Fourth method is screen mirror iPhone to LG TV. If your LG TV supports AirPlay, open Settings, then choose General, then select Apple AirPlay. Turn AirPlay on iPhone. Open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, choose your LG TV. Enter the AirPlay code if prompted. Done. Fifth method is mirror Windows PC. Press Window plus K, choose your LG TV, click Connect. Your desktop is now mirrored. Method 6 is mirror Mac to LG TV. Click Control Center, Screen Mirroring, choose your LG TV, enter the AirPlay code if needed. Your Mac screen appears on the TV. Seventh method is enable AirPlay. If iPhone can't find your TV, open Settings and choose General, then Apple AirPlay, turn Apple AirPlay on, then also set require code to first time only. It is restart both devices. A simple reboot fixes many connection problems. Restart LG TV, phone, laptop and Wi-Fi router. Reconnect afterward. Ninth method is update LG TV software. Open settings, choose support, then go software update. Install any available updates. Update firmware improves compatibility. 10th method is fix screen mirroring not working. If mirroring still fails, turn Bluetooth off then on. Disable VPN, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Move closer to the router. Restart your phone. Restart the TV. Reset network settings if needed. Final tip is if your LG TV doesn't support AirPlay or Miracast, you can still mirror your screen using an HDMI cable or a compatible streaming device such as Chromecast, Apple TV or Amazon Fire TV stick. This is often the most reliable option for older LG TV models.